Liverpool fan in me not mention Liverpool ending the year on top of the Premier League and on top of the European Champions League. We're just about halfway through the season and no trophies are won in December or January. But put it this way, Liverpool is in a very favourable position. And just when we think life can't get any better for us Liverpool fans, let's take a peep down to the middle to relegation end of the table. And what do we see? Our former great rivals, such team, a.k.a. Manchester United, hovering somewhere around 14th or 15th or 16th place. Them hire a new coach by the name of Hammering, and them still get hammering. I mean, it's one thing that Liverpool have been so imperious, looking like possible champions. It's further pleasure and further joy to see Manchester United and their loudmouth, obnoxious fans in suffering. Life is good. Life is good. You'll never walk alone. Life is good as a Liverpool support.